Placing rodent baits in weatherproof, tamper-resistant shelters dramatically increases both safety and effectiveness. When building or using bait shelter, do it with durable materials such as high-density polyethylene or exterior-grade plywood coated with waterproof sealant to resist moisture and chewing. Create an internal compartment that blocks direct rain and wind while allowing rodents easy access by sizing the entrance to about 2.5 to 3 inches high and 4 to 5 inches wide. Round the edges to prevent splinters. For tamper resistance, include a hasp and staple or a keyed lock that prevents curious pets and children from opening the shelter, and use a removable internal tray for quick bait replacement without exposing the operator. Mount the shelter on a concrete block or a treated wood post anchored with concrete for stability, and secure it through the base with corrosion-resistant screws so it cannot be easily moved by animals or vandals. Clearly label each shelter with bait type, active ingredient spelled out, date placed, and an emergency contact so anyone who discovers it knows what it contains and who to call. Monitor and document consumption at least once per week and after heavy rain events using a simple checklist and photos so you can track activity, detect non-target interference, and adjust placement or bait type based on evidence. People often place shelters where rodents do not travel, which wastes product and increases non-target risk. Fix this by observing runways and placing shelters along confirmed gnaw or droppings routes. Another common mistake is using weak fasteners that allow shelters to tip or shift during storms. Use stainless steel or galvanized screws with through bolts into concrete when possible. Homeowners sometimes forget clear labeling and records, which creates confusion for emergency responders and neighbors. Keep a visible label and maintain a dated log with photos stored digitally and in a small binder near your tool area. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for projects like installing locked bait stations and building waterproof shelters. Our community discussion area lets us share field tips, ask questions, and connect contractors with homeowners looking for work.